Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to begin sorting out your floor plans according to categories and your sheets, your elevations, your sections, all your views in your project. I'm going to use an architectural template, and from here, let's say for example, in your project you have um, buildings like this, and this building, it's called block A, this is block B, this is block C, and this is block D. And all of these buildings, you want to separate them here. So instead of seeing floor plans and having to see all the blocks in one sheet, you want to see it in different sheets, assorted in a way that makes your project look a bit more clearer. So what we're gonna start by doing, we're gonna go to manage project parameters, and we're going to add a new project parameter. We're going to name this one block A. Type parameter, we're going to say text, and this one we're going to put it under general. In here we are looking for views because we want to sort out the views. We're going to hit OK and OK like that. Once we are done with that, we're going to right click and then go to project organizer there, and we're going to create new. We're going to name it block A, and here we're going to choose block A, and from here we're going to choose family and type. We're going to hit OK. We're going to select block A, hit OK. From here you will notice that it will put everything under a box which has question marks, and these are where all our floor plans are. So if we want to start separating our blocks, you can start selecting views like that, for example, and then when you go down to general, that's where we have our block A, and we can type block A. When you hit apply, you will realize that you have your block A there. Under your block A, you have your ceiling plan, you have your elevation. If you want to include this level, the floor plan under block A, we're just going to come here and we select the block A that we've created, and it puts it there for you, right? For us to do block B, we're going to repeat the same process. Project parameter, we're going to add block B. We're going to change this to text. We're going to change this to go under general. Again, we're looking for views. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to right click here, project organizer, and we're going to create a new project organizer called block B. Under here we're going to choose block B and family and type. Hit OK, select that, hit OK. Once you have that, you will notice that block A has disappeared. The reason for that is because right now we are on a different project browser which is called only project B. So if you only want to work on project B, for example, let's put our sheets in block B, hit apply. We will have all our sheets there in block B. You can add them like that. So you will only see block B, but if you want to go back to block A, you can either come here at the top, you select here, you select the block B there, you come here at the top and you'll find your block A there. Block A comes back. When you change to block A, it will show your block A floor plan or your section or your 3D, whatever it is, whatever view you are at. If you select this and for instance you want to see everything, you can select all and it will show you everything in the project. From here at all, what you can also do, you can say project browser and select discipline, and it will give you a different organization. But to put it properly in a way that won't confuse you, you can either you even have more options. You can either select block A or you select block B. So once you have categorized your blocks like that, you can continue to making your sheets. Now we want to move on and create a sheet category. We're going to go and do the same process again. Go to project parameter and add sheet category. We're going to put this at text, and this we're going to put it at other, and here we're looking for sheets. Once we have that, we're going to right click here, project browser, and instead of creating one here in the views, we're gonna go in the sheet section. You also have schedules, so we're working with sheets. You're going to create one sheet category. Once you hit OK, you come this side and you select sheet category. You hit OK, make sure you select this, hit OK, and there you have it. Again, everything is under a question mark. If this is your sheet and you want to put it in the sheet category, you can say this is sheet category block A. Once you do that, it changes. You can have another sheet, you can say new sheet, and you say OK. Once it puts it in a question mark, you can select that and give it a different code like that, and then it moves like that. So that's how you sort everything in your project.